They're at the back, no? Good morning. Welcome to episode 12. And what a morning you find us trying to find camp chairs on. Look at this. We are slowly but surely moving things down to the house.
I think they're in the main barn.
You did. You went 1, 2. No, they're not here. I don't know what episode these were from, but it feels like years ago. Probably was years ago. Probably was about a year and a half ago. We are slowly moving things down to the house and have been for the last week. Move-in date is the 27th, 28th of March. It's the 14th of March right now. And we're going to go down and clean some windows because our windows people are getting aggy and saying they're not going to finish the windows until they're clean. We've been messed around by them, pretty much. We've got to stop at Dreams, the bed shop, to try and figure out a mattress that's best for both of us. And then we'll go down to the house. With America!
About the mattresses that have been chosen for you.
The other side?
Oh, it's already happened. Just in a dream. In the middle, this is option 1, or an option for the spare bed, and then this one is an option for us, for the main room. But it's incredibly hard to make a decision in 20 minutes of lying on a mattress. Mattress chosen. Both mattresses chosen. Now for coffee. Site visit update time. First of all, look at this beauty. Lovely.
Can't hear it though.
Okay, be very careful with the wall. Look at the doors. We've got doors. That's cool. And door handles. And all of this has been painted. We've now got the stove in. Wait for it.
Oh, he's
Ready?
finished it as well. Look.
Ready for the bookshelves. Oh, bang! Look at these bad boys. Or bad girls. Maybe bad girls. We have bookshelves and doors. The doors are yet to be fully fitted on. Strict orders from our painter to go up the middle of the stairs. We now have shower screen and tiles. Finito. Tiles done on the floor, as well as panelling. This is this girl's.
Some people think the panel's a bit random, but I think once the bath's in,
This girl's
it will look good.
idea. And the ensuite, really. All of this is painted.
Yeah, he's done with it.
We've got doors. We have been moving our stuff in. Look. There we go. And the ensuite tiles have been done. Toilet is in. And look at the tiles. The only thing is, the shower handle is in a very awkward place because you stand under here and all of a sudden
Let me try it out. Let me try it out.
you're bashing up against the shower handle.
Yeah. We're gonna end up doing that.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna end up doing.
And we go down to the kitchen. And we have had our kitchen installed. I don't know whether the kitchen had been installed on the last video or not. No, it had, because we had a breakdown. I had a breakdown
About what?
because there had been some mistakes.
And I had the breakdown.
But now it's okay. Handles have been fitted.
I had the breakdown about the red.
Can't see the worktop, or can you?
From
Utility.
was that my little pen?
There's a sneak peek of the worktop. Another thing is our courtyard has been tiled and we have some new stairs. They need a little bit of muddying up and aging, maybe some whitewashing to make them look a little bit less orange, but look at this. Needs to be grouted, needs to be painted. defo needs to be painted. We have the utility room being fitted next week. It's Saturday today, on Monday. Painted and fitted Monday and Tuesday.
So the colour will just be like that.
Yeah, clean. Another thing is we've now got our panelling up on this wall.
It's in our pantry.
We've got our little secret, not so secret door. Still don't know how we're going to use this space to make use, or to make as much use of this space as we can. Yeah, that can be your job. I'll do the shed. That reminds me, we've now got a door on the shed and a door on this side entrance. Look at this.
Always primed that.
And that's the door to the shed. Hiya. All the windows on the top floor done. No, not all the windows on the middle floor. Windows in the living room done. They were just splattered with paint. The other side will definitely need a clean. Good morning from a week later, and we're back at the house. Mum's peeling the floor off. Emma's stacking books on the bookshelves, and the bookshelves are coming to life. We've got...
Just taking the stuff off your...
Oh yeah. Dad's upstairs putting together our bed. We were meant to get the spare room bed delivered yesterday as well, but it didn't arrive. How's it going? Oh! Hi there.
Do you know what? Hi.
Look at
These two bolts are all absolutely identical, but one of them has a little. See the difference between that and that one?
Yeah.
That and that.
Yeah.
And I've used one somewhere else.
It's the 21st of... It's the 21st of March, not September.
Today is the spring equinox.
And we are due to move in next week, so it's definitely the business end of this whole project. The bed is complete, and the bedroom is starting to look a whole lot more like an actual bedroom. I'm going to insert some clips of what it first looked like when we were here now.
It's actually smaller than that.
You think? Bed.
Bed, there we go. Wardrobe's there. Little dressing tables.
Wardrobes. Get rid of that fireplace. And now what it looks like. Just pulling up the rest of the flooring.
Oh, there's plenty of room either side.
There is room, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Oh yeah, that's very
that's
pretty,
there.
isn't it?
Yeah.
Very pretty.
And here as well.
The three of us.
What three of them?
We need to do all our...
Wow.
Yeah, it's not just
This is nice. Very, very nice. So you chose the...
Look at that, folks.
So we needed it. So it was kind of like choose something else.
Go on then. Someone turn them on.
See?
Oh!
Is that good?
That's
Very nice.
lovely.
I like the way the angles. It's actually quite thick, so it angles the light.
Yeah, it's a very directed light.
It doesn't spread out.
Good evening. It's now about 5 o'clock maybe. And Emma's finishing the day with this fun job. We are painting the boot room toilet. We told our painter that we didn't want him to do everything. So we've got the boot room toilet, we've got the boot room as well to do, and then we have the wall in here to paint as well, but that will be at a later date when the guy's finished fitting this. But we're posting up for the day. We've got some random glasses and about to have a glass of wine. Let me show you. Nice clean windows, all the bulbs and lampshades put on, and the kitchen is looking a whole lot more like a kitchen.
That's enough. Well, we spent our second work.
Pâte neuf de pape. Cheers. Thanks for your help. Oh yeah, it looks kind of...
It looks different colour on
Yeah, it does.
It looks like a sort of
Looks like a
greeny yellow.
mustardy, goldy
What, where?
on
Oh,
the camera.
there. Oh. Well, hopefully, I think it will dry a bit different.
Look at us, it's us working on the house again, which we haven't done properly in what feels like ages. But here we are, in our funky toilet. Which, what do we think? What would people label this colour, huh?
Hello.
Yellow? It looks completely different colour on camera.
Oh, God.
Like a gold. Good morning. It's Sunday and it sounds like Emma's had a bit of a change of heart
It didn't come out right.
with our toilet. The colour of our toilet.
It's too yellow.
Ignore the patchy bits, it's definitely not finished. But supposedly a little bit too yellow. I mean, it looks brown on camera. She's happy with this colour, but not happy with this colour. What's the update 2 hours later with the yellow?
I think I kind of like it. I don't know.
We've had a bit of maybe a third change of heart.
We've had about...
Well, Emma's had a third change of heart. I've been consistent. I've said I've always
Dodgy,
liked the yellow.
dodgy.
And we've decided to commit to the yellow. Granted, we do need to order another pot of paint to do a second coat. But we're now finishing all the woodwork, the first coat of all the woodwork in this. I mean, what's the name of, the technical name of the paint?
Big hoops.
Big Hoops.
Collaboration with Stacey Dooley.
And the yellow is what?
Ziggy's yellow.
Ziggy's Yellow. Both from a company called Coat.
Anyone wants design inspiration?
We might have to put a sign outside the toilet as a pre-warning
We'll just give people some love.
to those that have an aversion to bold and slightly garish colours and colour combinations. We're clocking off for the evening. It's 7:30 and I have painted the boot room 2 coats of white. Emma's done a second coat of the brown that's not brown, that's meant to be gold, that looks a lot darker in the camera. A week today we'll officially be living here, which is weird. Very weird, given it's been nearly 2 years. It's March the 22nd. We bought the house in the end of June 2024, and it's 2026. We'll finish the episode here. This week will be a lot more toing and froing between John's house and here, moving stuff, and then we've got the whole of next weekend to unpack and move in. I'm sure there'll be another episode coming, but for now, hope you enjoyed the video.